Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9 to 5 Software. In this video, we're going to learn how to add text to Premiere Pro. Links to the latest version of the app is available in the description. If you have other questions you need answers to, please tell us in the comments or visit 9to5software.com. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Premiere Pro to build a new project. Click to open Premiere Pro on Windows or Mac. Click File at the top, New, Project. Name your project and then click OK. Double-click on the left corner library to import media. Then all you have to do is drag your desired video file to Premiere Pro timeline. To add the text using the type tool, you'll want to navigate to the toolbar, and if you don't see it, go to Windows, Tools, simply click and hold down the type tool for a moment, and the type tool and vertical type tool options will appear. Once you've selected type tool, you have the option to simply click anywhere in your program panel and start typing. Or you can create a larger text box by clicking in your viewer and dragging with the type tool. The difference being that creating an actual text box confines your text to the space within the box, which is great if you're going to be adding a lot of text. For those who want more control over their titles and texts, I'll quickly go over the Essential Graphics panel and explain all of its functions and features. Here we have the ability to choose the different elements in the graphics layer. When you add text in Premiere Pro, it creates a graphic layer. This layer can have many different text elements in it. Make sure to choose the one you want to manipulate. 2. At this location we have the Align and Transform properties. With these properties we can align the text into the center of both the vertical and the horizontal. We can also individually affect the rotation and X-Y positions of the text. Here we can select our text and whether we want it bold, condensed, italic or regular. Only some fonts allow these selections. In the bottom controls, you are also able to affect things like letter space and distance and line height. Four. You can change the color, background and drop shadow here. You can also give the text a stroke. Make sure you highlight the text you wanna change before making any changes. There you have it, how to add text in Premiere Pro. It is not too difficult once you have done it a few times. Just a couple of clicks and you'll be on your way. Big thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing. See you next time.